Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what we're getting ready to do is we're swapping out the OEM fuel cap for a aftermarket quick release carbon fuel cap. Main reason why I like doing this is one, it looks a whole lot better. Two, whenever you pull up to the pump, you don't have to deal with this pull the key out, put it in here, pop it in, and you don't have to deal with any of that nonsense, you know what I'm saying? So we're getting ready to take this off. I'm going to show you the entire process. It's actually very simple. Again, like from the last video, this bike takes Torx screws only. BMW, for whatever reason, loves Torx screws, so that's what we're going to go with. Initially, you're going to need a Torx T20. For the aftermarket fuel cap, you're going to need a hex key 2.5 millimeter. So let's get started. You pull the key out, obviously, pop it in the fuel cap. What you're gonna notice is it looks like 5 different Torx screws in there. You only need to worry about 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. Start by grabbing your Torx T20. And oh, another good thing to note is if you have fat fingers like me, grab you tissue. Just go ahead and stuff it in the fuel tank. That way, in case if you drop anything, it's not gonna go down in your fuel tank. So start by taking out the Torx T20 screws. See, I'm already dropping things. Pop the fuel cap off. You can go ahead and take your key out, put it in ignition if you want to, or wherever you feel safe. Put your fuel cap to the side and get your new fuel cap. Now you notice there's a rubber grommet right here, or a, not really too sure what it's called, but you can go ahead and leave that in. You're gonna use this for the new fuel cap. So the aftermarket fuel cap I decided to go with was the TWM Special Components BMW Blue Carbon Aftermarket Quick Release Fuel Cap. So very beautiful piece. You're gonna take this out, leave that somewhere. It's gonna come with the carbon fuel cap cover, I guess you can call it. And it's gonna come with 4 screws and 4 spacers. Okay, you can move this out of the way and let's get started. Start by putting your spacers in each one of the holes where the screws were that you took out. Next, get your fuel cap, find where it says top, and basically put it at the top. At this point, you can remove your paper. Put that at the top there, and just screw in your bolts. Very carefully, of course. Okay, this is where you'll need your 2.5 millimeter hex key. You can go ahead and start screwing these in. Again, snug, not too tight, because everything's got to line up first. Next, what you can do is pull the rubber protectors off of the carbon fuel cap, and your 2 remaining holes is where it's going to screw or push into. And that's that. There it is, installed. If you like today's video, like and subscribe to this channel. That way, if you have any questions on any other things based on this 2023 BMW S1000RR, I can make some more how-to videos. I've got a lot more stuff to put onto this bike. Hashtag can't keep anything stock. You know what I'm saying? So this bike is going to be totally transformed. It's going to look totally different by the time we're done with it.